There are times when a tea break is all you need to recoup yourself while handling two kids. But little do you think about how your mood can come tumbling down simply because little things at home don't work the way like they're supposed to. That's when it hit me. Using the WD-40 has been a game changer in cleaning for me as it's a multi-use product. All you need to do is spray it in the affected area, leave it on for a few minutes and wipe it down. It's as good as new. From squeaky doors and drawers to rust and stain removal, it does it all. WD-40 is definitely one of my favorite cleaning products.